Yogi Adityanath, born Ajay Mohan Singh Bisht on 5th June 1972, in Panchur, Pauri Garhwal, Uttar Pradesh, now Uttarakhand, is a prominent Indian Hindu monk and politician. The second of 7 siblings, he pursued a Bachelor of Science degree in mathematics from Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna Garhwal University. His life took a significant turn when he left his home around the 1990s to join the Ram Janmabhoomi movement, which sought to reclaim the site of the Babri Masjid in Ayodhya. During this period, he became a disciple of Mahant Avaidyanath, the then head priest of the Gorakhnath Math, a revered Hindu monastery in Gorakhpur and a key figure in the Ayodhya movement. Following Avaidyanath's demise in 2014, Adityanath was elevated to the position of Mahant or chief priest of the Gorakhnath Math. Adityanath's political career began early. He was first elected to the Lok Sabha, the lower house of the Indian Parliament, from the Gorakhpur constituency in 1998 at the young age of 26, becoming one of the youngest parliamentarians at that time. He successfully retained this seat for 5 consecutive terms, serving until 2017. During his tenure as an MP, he also founded the Hindu Yuva Vahini in 2002, a Hindu nationalist organization, which was disbanded in 2022. Known for his strong Hindutva ideology and often provocative statements, he built a significant independent power base in eastern Uttar Pradesh, sometimes leading to strained relations with the state BJP leadership. In 2017, the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) named him as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh following their resounding victory in the state assembly elections, a move that surprised many as he was not officially projected for the role. He took oath as CM on 19 March 2017. He subsequently led the BJP to another victory in the 2022 Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections, making him the first chief minister in the state's history to complete a full 5-year term and then be re-elected for a consecutive second term. As chief minister, his government has focused on improving law and order, infrastructure development, including expressways and airports like the upcoming Jewar Airport, and various welfare initiatives. He has also embraced the bulldozer Baba epithet, a reference to his government's use of bulldozers to demolish allegedly illegal properties, portraying it as a tool against crime and corruption.